What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, again click on this apps option and then click on this 3 dot more option. Now tap on show system processes. Now scroll down and here click on Bluetooth. Now tap on storage and from here clear the app data and cache memory of Bluetooth. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK. And after doing this, the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down and check if you have turned on the power saving mode. So in power saving mode, few features of your phone may not work properly. So tap on this icon to turn off power saving, and after turning off power saving, the Bluetooth will start working properly. Now after all these solutions, if you are still facing the Bluetooth issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on restart, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issue. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.